Hey y'all, today we are going to be going over my BougeRV solar wiring kit for the M4 connectors. And hey, if you guys get any value out of this video, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe, it's free, and go ahead and hit that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I come out with new content. Alright, this kit has been so handy that I figured I'd do a review. I'll leave links below for my other videos with the solar panels. I used this the other day, one of the tools in this anyway, to disconnect and connect the MP4 connectors, solar connectors, and man, it just makes it so much easier. Now what this kit comes with is right here we have a crimper tool, ratcheting crimper tool, that is very, it really works good. You have a bunch of MP4 connectors. Let's see, I'll put that back in here. This is one that I already used. You can see how it was already crimped on there. Now I can uncrimp that fairly easily. Alright, now I've had this for several months and it has really come in handy. I had some connectors get destroyed on me on the 200-watt system, and so I took and used this to fix them. Okay, now, so you have the crimper tool, then you have each one of these. I've used some of them. Each one of these pockets has a package of a male and a female, and the interiors, and that's what the crimping tool is for these metal interiors. You stick the wire in there, and then you use the crimper to crimp it down on it. These are waterproof connectors, the MP4 connectors, and it comes with, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of connectors. It comes with 2 of these tools. What these tools do is, number 1, they help you to tighten this without hurting it. See, I'm using the whole thing here, because if I just grab that and start turning, you know, I might snap it. But this way, all the pressure is in all the right spots, and I can tighten that right up there. And, you know, I can use this backwards, forwards, left, right, whatever. Okay, now, when these are connected, okay, you have to push these 2 little tabs in, and man, well, I did it there, but you have these which will push right on there, but I like using this here. Push right on there, push in a little, and it disconnects. And as I said, you can see the little ring, the little gasket on here. These are waterproof, okay? I am very happy with this tool set. Yes, I have used this a lot. And if you're going to be working with solar connectors, with these MP4 connectors, you really, in my opinion, should go ahead and invest. It just makes life so much easier. You don't want a bad connection in your solar panels. You want to have those good connections, because it's, well, good connections are vital. You don't want to have problems. When I ran the wires underground from the new solar panels into the house, if there's a bad connection under there, that's a lot of work to get to, and I don't want that. So yeah, and the cool, you know, it's in this nice little bag that makes it easy to carry about. I know exactly what it is. The BougeRV connector kit. It wasn't horribly expensive. It's a high quality tool. And I really like it. Go ahead and check out these videos I got here and here. And y'all have a great day, and God bless.